Before you watch this video, please make sure to go to my channel and click on playlists. Then from the playlists, select Forex Scalping Strategies. Click on the Scalping Strategies and then you will find here one video called the Best Forex Scalping Strategy explained in details along with Forex price action. Please watch these two videos in order to understand the strategy that you are about to watch in this live trading video. Hello and welcome on this new trading session video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. So today guys, actually I'm planning to do something else different than usual support and resistance and trend lines. Actually, there is a strategy which has been for some reason abandoned on my channel, which I'm not sure the reason, of course, why. Let me show you actually. It's not even on the playlist. Actually, this is my mistake. I need to add it right now. Let's go to videos and let's search here for Fibonacci. Fibonacci is actually one of the strongest and best strategies I ever had on my channel, and actually I'm not really sure why we are not using it anymore, but I actually have many videos explaining how we can actually trade using Fibonacci retracement levels. These levels actually, guys, can provide us with a very good entries, and I need to add it right now. Save to the playlist and add it to Forex Scalping Strategies right now. That's important. The magic of Fibonacci scalping strategy. Right now, if you go to the playlist, it has been added already. Click on the playlist right here and you will find it right here. Forex, the magic of Fibonacci scalping strategy. Please, guys, make sure to watch this video before you proceed watching this trading session, because I'm going to apply Fibonacci retracement into today's scalping session. So without further ado, let's now start and let's apply the Fibonacci retracement strategy. So let's now begin with the AUDCAD. AUDCAD actually shows us right here a potential setup. Of course, we have to confirm this along with the support, trend lines, and resistance. We can never abandon support and resistance at all. Fibonacci retracements usually used to confirm the entry, nothing more. So as you can see, the market has already rose right here above that bullish breakout candle. It was, of course, above 61.8 Fibonacci retracement, and the market has already formed right here a support trend line. So as you can see, the market seems like it's climbing its way up, and now it's retesting also Fibonacci retracement 50. Which means this is actually going to be a good entry if I want to scalp the market, if I want to place here a buy order exactly at Fibonacci 50 and aiming about 8 pips till the market reach Fibonacci 23.6. Another way to confirm this entry is going to be by using, of course, the trend lines. As you can see, exactly, that's perfection. Fantastic. We can see that the market, actually I'm on the 50-minute time frame right now. So as you can see, if the market is gonna fall again, yes, it's gonna actually be respecting the Fibonacci retracement and also the support trend line. Actually, that's gonna be actually 61.8. Let me just make sure it's actually accurate. I need to actually, guys, sorry about that, because sometimes when you are trading, yeah, exactly, just like that. I think, yes, fantastic. By dragging the same support trend line and okay, I don't have time to explain. I need to place the trade right now. I think 1.3 lot sizes, AUDCAD should be fine. Fantastic. Aim risking only $80 of profit and aiming about, let's see, 100. Actually, it should be right here. Okay. Let's aim $70 of profit. So what I was saying here, guys, is this is, of course, another strategy that you will need to watch also, which called the magic of trend lines. Guys, you really need to watch almost all of these videos in order to understand what I'm doing in this trading session. I'm using combination of the trend lines magic and the Fibonacci magic along with the support and resistance, sometimes adding the sniper to the mix. So therefore, I really don't have time to explain each strategy while I'm opening the trade. So what I did right here is simply draw a support trend line, just like that, connecting this support trend lines together, and then dragged the very same line I have drawn here and just placed it right there at the nearest support trend line to the entry. And as you can see in the past, the same lines, or the same level, sorry, have been all respected. Actually, you can use the same line continuously on all the levels. Check this out. right here. We can place it even right here on that resistance trend line, and we will see that the market is still respecting those levels. We can actually place it right there, actually, wherever you want. I mean, you name it. Right here also. And we can see that the market has also been respecting those levels of support trend lines along with the resistance trend line as well. So anyway, let's talk about this trade itself. Let's now delete this line. We don't need it anymore. Now, as you can see, guys, I have opened my trade at Fibonacci retracement 50, and the take profit level has been placed right on 23.6. Now, let's analyze this logically without the using of Fibonacci retracement. As we can see also, this has also been a broken level of a resistance, and that was of course the bullish engulfing bullish breakout candle, and there that tail represents the support number 1, and I have opened my trade right on the second attempt of the support. And of course, for the take profit level has also been placed at the nearest resistance to my entry. That was of course, my friends, right here, the nearest resistance to the entry. So that's the reason also this has been placed as a take profit level, and as we can see, we are instantly going in profit. And of course, for the stop loss, it has just been there to be equivalent to the take profit level. So my risk to reward ratio is just simply 50-50. That's it. That's everything. It's really simple, and Fibonacci can also provide us with a very sharp and good entries. I hope it's clear for you guys what I'm doing here. If not, please proceed to watch these videos that I have just highlighted. Anyway, let me now please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with this trade. Another setup was found right here on the AUDUSD. I'm going to place the buy order right now. Actually, I'm going to increase the lot size to be 1.5 and place the buy order. This is really one trusted setup, risking about $90, and let's hope to get around $114. Of course, I need to explain to you guys the reason behind of this trade. Now, let me delete the Fibonacci retracement and explain to you from the scratch. Now, first of all, for a starter, what we're having right here is a broken level of a resistance, and as we can see right now, it's becoming a new support. And the market has already showed us a signs right here. It's getting ready for the bullish reversal. So again, we need another kind of confirmation to be sure that we can start buying right here exactly. So let's just now start marking our strong levels of a support and a resistance as well. Right here, exactly, lies the real level of a resistance, as we can see. Now let's do something else, and let's highlight, of course, the strong level of a support. This was, of course, the strong key support level. Of course, guys, all what I'm talking about now has been explained in the video of the magic of Fibonacci. Now what we can do next is simply draw a Fibonacci retracement from this very strong key support level to the peak of the resistance. Check this out. We are actually, my friends, on Fibonacci 61.8, and since we are actually on the 50-minute time frame, we can actually expect a few reversals for a ranging market on that level of Fibonacci retracement before the final reversal begins. So therefore, we have waited for the market to reach the previous level of a resistance first of all. Combining this with 61.8 Fibonacci retracement, we can now be sure that this is going to be a winning trade, and most likely the market is going to continue the rise. By the way, the previous trade is about to hit the take profit level. I think, yes, it's getting very closer to it. Currently running in about 4 pips of profit. And let's check this one out. What's happening right here? Let's just be more accurate, just like that. And yes, exactly, yeah, that's actually better. Exactly, just like that. So as you can see, I have placed my trade exactly when the market falls again to retest the Fibonacci 61.8. It might take a while before this trade hit the take profit level. Before that, we can actually just wait and see what will gonna happen. Now for the take profit level, now ignoring the Fibonacci retracement, we have to identify the take profit level. So since I am actually placing my trade right here on a new support, which is going to be support number 1, where is the nearest resistance to my entry? Nearest support or resistance? Of course, the nearest support or resistance lies exactly right here at 38.2 Fibonacci retracement, and the next one is actually 23.6. That's the reason this, guys, has been placed as of my take profit level, and the stop loss has been there because actually I'm fully relying on the previous level of a resistance and the Fibonacci 61.8. So this level right here, below the level of a nearest support to the entry also, That means if the market reaches that level, then this trade has entirely failed. That's the reason we don't actually require the stop loss to be lower than that. So I think everything is running well so far. This trade, I think, is going to be in profit soon. It might fail, of course. I'm not saying that this is going to be 100% winning trade. Still has a potential of failing. So let's wait and see what will going to happen. At least the AUDCAD is running so good. It's running so well so far. Approximately 5 pips of profit so far. And as you can see, the AUDNZD is still ranging. Anyway, guys, let me know. Please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with these trades. And as you can see, everything seems to be going really so well, and the AUDCAD is approaching the take profit level about 5.5 pips, $55. I think that should be fine. We should be fine with that. I mean, it's almost there. It's just like 1 pip far away from the take profit level. Yeah, that should be fine. I mean, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough. Yeah, that's enough. Get done with it. Get done with it. $49. Get done with it, and let's just close it in profit. As you can see, guys, I'm aiming right now a small profits, not like before, aiming 80 or 90 or even $120 of profit from each scalping trade. No, when we are trading using the Fibonacci retracement, we can actually expect between 15 to 25 trades per day, if not even more than that. Fibonacci retracement can open the door to so many trades, and that's the reason we have to be careful. And as you can see, my stop loss is just now $91, and the take profit level is 114. In the other setup for the AUDCAD, the stop loss was $70, and the take profit level was the same. Actually, let me try to find another setup right now. Hopefully I can find one right now in front of you, so you can actually, guys, see what it takes actually to find setups using the Fibonacci retracement. We have to understand that this is not random at all. It's all calculated for a reason. Now, as we can see, waiting for the market to reach 61.8 at 1.76430 for the Euro NZD, that's going to provide us with a very good entry. We have to wait for the market to fall for about 14 pips. And of course, we cannot just blindly open the trade. We have to confirm that on the left side, there has actually been a real level of a support. And that can be confirmed right here, as you can see. Right here, we had, of course, a real level of a support, which was also a real level of a resistance in the past. We need also to confirm using the support trend lines. I'm not sure, guys. I'm actually analyzing right in front of you. It might not work. Let me try. If I connect the support trend line, no, it's actually right now on the level. What we can do right now is simply use the magic of trend lines, and what I will do here is simply draw a resistance trend line from this point to this point. As you can see, the market has already been respecting those levels continuously, as you can see. Yes, perfect. Even here it became a resistance trend line, then it became a support trend line. Now let's try to drag the same line and place it right there. Okay, so this confirms that we cannot really use the magic of trend lines at the moment. Let me just be sure. Maybe not. Maybe I'm wrong. Okay. If I place it, however, on that level of a support trend line, activate the ray. And yes, actually, not a bad idea. Maybe I think not a bad idea. Not a bad idea. We can see that we had here also a support trend line, which is going to be most likely respected if the market will fall here again. And it will also respect 61.8 Fibonacci retracement. It will respect the previous support. Actually, I don't feel good about it. I feel like it's really forced. I feel like I'm forcing setups right here. I don't like it. Let's try to find something else. Actually, guys, we are in 13 minutes and already 2 trades opened only. Okay, so far nothing can be found in the market. We have to wait some more time for the trades to be activated. Anyway, guys, let me know. Please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you once I find the next trade. Okay, guys, I found this setup, and I don't actually have much time to explain. I need to place the sell order right now. Fantastic. We placed the sell order. The take profit level is gonna be about $116, and stop loss should be like $91. Should be fine, and already instantly are in profit. So let me explain to you the reason behind of this trade. Now, first of all, This is, let me just start from scratch. Right here, guys, I saw this setup right here, and as we can see on the USDJPY, we're having here this higher high and this lower low. Now what we will do next is simply draw the Fibonacci retracement from this high to this low, just like that. And as we can see, we are actually facing right now 61.8 Fibonacci retracement. Now, by looking at the structure, we can notice that this is actually much stronger level as a resistance. And actually, this was, my friends, the real level of a resistance. As we can see, this was a real level of a resistance, and this was, of course, the fake breakout. And right now the market has reached that level of the real resistance. So most likely the USDJPY is going to start the bearish reversal right now. And of course, the take profit level was placed just right there as the nearest support to my entry. Fantastic. And of course, the stop loss has been placed right there because I'm fully relying on the real level of the resistance right here. So if the market is going to be able to reach that level, then most likely the market has actually broke from 61.8 Fibonacci retracement, and this setup will be no longer valid. Also adding to this, that we are having here a resistance trend line. Check this out. Check this out. This is so beautiful. The market is indeed respecting that level. So the market is indeed respecting that level of a previous resistance trend line, and most likely right now is going to continue the fall. I mean, now there is a possibility, of course, that the market might eventually break out from that level, but I doubt that this is going to happen. And at least we can actually trade the pullback or the reversal till it reaches that level of a support. Then I will exit this trade. Then I really don't care what will gonna happen next. Maybe it will reverse and break out from that level. Maybe it will continue falling down. I really don't care as long as I have made profits from that reversal. Anyway, guys, actually things seems to be running well. AUDUSD is still running in profit. USDJPY also running in profit. Let me know, please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with both of these trades. Alright, it seems like the USDJPY trade is failing. As we can see, guys, the market has already reversed right here at that level of 61.8 Fibonacci retracement. So meaning this was, of course, the first attempt of the resistance, which we have trusted always. This was actually not so trusted, apparently. Again, guys, these things can happen as normal. We are losing only $55, not more. $56 of loss. Oh, check this out. I closed it really in the fast time. Really, thanks to IC Markets for having a very, very fast servers. Otherwise, I would have lost more. It's okay. We can recover. No problem at all. We can recover the losses immediately. Also, thanks to the Fibonacci retracement strategy, it can provide us with a very quick setups and very trusted as well. Actually, guys, you really need to watch the video of the magic of trend lines and the Fibonacci. Otherwise, really, you cannot get most of what you are seeing right now. I'm just searching for the setups in front of you, hoping to find something. AUDCAD seems, no, we just took this one. AUDNZD is running also in profit. So far, 3-4 pips of profit. CAD JPY. No, not really. Euro AUD. Sorry, guys. I know the video is gonna kind of boring. It might actually be very, very boring. But actually, this is a trading session, and I'm doing the best I can to provide you with the information that you need in your day trading. Let's try here. Okay, we are actually on 50 Fibonacci retracement. We are actually on a previous resistance, moving back to the 5-minute time frame. Yes, that seems to be good. Actually, 1.5 lot size for that. Actually, I hope I'm not late. 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 This is really convenient and good setup. So as you can see, my friends, based on the 5-minute time frame, after drawing my Fibonacci retracement from this high to this low right here, we can notice right here that we are actually right now on Fibonacci 50. Now you might tell me, but Salah, why you didn't buy? Why didn't you buy instead of selling? The answer is that resistance right here at Fibonacci 50 exactly. The market has already reversed for once and twice, meaning we already have right here support number 1 and support number 2. Can you see them, guys? This is Fibonacci 50. This is exactly the support number 1, and right here support number 2. I never buy on this third attempt. The third attempt of the support has already been broken out from with that strong bearish breakout candle, and right now we can see that the market rose again, respecting that level of a previous resistance. So meaning the market right now is gonna continue the fall, and it's gonna be going toward the take profit level, which was of course the nearest support to my entry, based of course in the 5-minute time frame, and the stop loss has been placed there, because this is actually gonna be 61.8 Fibonacci retracement, and we are not actually expecting from the market to rise at the moment. It's falling, as we can see. Fantastic. So hopefully we will recover the losses, and hopefully we will cover it with profits. So that's gonna be the last trade for the day. Let me know, please pause the recording, guys, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with these two trades. And as we can see, my friends, the market has reversed just from the take profit level, 3 pips far away from it. The total profits for both trades is right now $100, 94.97. That's what I'm seeking, that's what I want. $97 of profit and close both of the trades, and so far so good. Really, I'm so happy about the results. It was so great and good session. So again, guys, I will actually post more videos showing you this style of trading using the Fibonacci retracement. It's so profitable and yet so easy, and it will help you to find a lot more setups that you have ever did before. So 20 minutes, I think that's enough for this trading session video. I think it's kind of boring, but highly informative. So I think everything is going well. Even with the late week analysis video that I have posted, the signals are actually going toward the take profit levels, but unfortunately nothing has been triggered. At least the direction was correct. Anyway, guys, I'm so happy with the profits that we have made in this video. Anyway, I think that's enough for this trading session. I will see you next, guys, maybe tomorrow in another trading session video, and until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.